welcome to our channel. Today in this video we'll learn about parts of speech. First of all, how many parts of speeches are there we will see. So first part of speech is noun. First one is noun. Second one is pronoun. Third one is adjective. Fourth one is verb. Fifth one is adverb. Sixth one preposition. Conjunction. Seventh one is conjunction and eighth one is interjection. Firstly, we'll learn about noun. First of all, what is a noun? What noun says? A noun is a word which says a name, place, thing, animal, an action, quality, expression. Noun is a word which says about name, place, thing, and animal. Action, quality, and expression also. So, a noun is a word which says about name, place, thing, and animal. If this comes for suppose, we'll see an example. Ramachandram is a honest man. Ramachandram is a honest man. So here in this noun is Ramachandram because this is a name. So this is Ramachandram. What is Ramachandram here? This is a name. So name, place, thing, and animal. Ramachandram is a name. So it is a noun. So now we'll see an example with place. So Deepika went to Tirupati. Deepika went to Tirupati. So in this what is place? Tirupati is a place, so it's a noun. So this is a place, so it is a noun. Now we will see with a thing. An example with thing. Example with a thing I am writing here. This table is very short. Yes, this table is very short. So in this, what is a thing? Table is this is a thing. Name, place, thing, and one is animal. We'll see last example with animal. Animal is lion. Lion eats only flesh. Lion eats only flesh. So in this, what is an animal? Lion is an animal. Lion is a animal. So the word which says about name, place, and thing animal is known as noun. Okay, now we will see the next second one is pronoun, and second one is pronoun. Pronoun. So what a pronoun, where the pronoun is used, and what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used instead of the noun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. So in noun we use as name, place, thing, animal. Instead of Ramachandram is a honest person. He is a honest person. Deepika is going to Tirupati. Instead of Deepika is going to Tirupati, here we are writing she is going to Tirupati. So like that we use instead of noun this pronouns. So I'll write the previous examples and I will write this example. So what is the first example? Ramachandram is an honest man. Ramachandram is a honest man. And second one, our second example is Deepika went to Tirupati. Went to Tirupati. So now what is our pronoun examples is, instead of using Ramachandram and Deepika, we can use he is instead of this. This which gender? This is male gender. So when male gender is coming, we have to use he. When female, we have to use she. So here he is an honest man. So instead of this name, we are using this one. Means instead of this noun, we are using this pronoun. Now see here, Deepika went to Tirupati. She went to Tirupati. So instead of Deepika, we are using she. So instead of noun we are using pronoun. That is the noun is a word which is used instead of this noun. Like in the place of Ramachandram, he. In the place of Deepika, she. And the table is very short. And one more example is lion eats only flesh. That's our examples. That means it eats only flesh. Okay. So third one is adjective. Third one is adjective. And there are types of nouns that I will post in the next video. So what is an adjective? What an adjective says? An adjective is a word which says about noun. An adjective is a word which says about noun. So an adjective is a word which says about noun. We'll see an example. So our example is Warangal is a historical place. Warangal is a historical place. So here an adjective is this one and a noun is this one. So this historical, this adjective is saying about Warangal. So this is a place. This is a place. This is a historical. Means this is an adjective. Because why this is an adjective? Because this adjective is saying about noun. An adjective is nothing but an adjective is a word which says about noun. So this is historical is saying about Warangal. So Warangal is a historical place. Okay. So we will see another example. Or another example is the Gita is a religious book. Or she is a beautiful girl. The Gita is a religious book. So Gita, Ramayana, all these books will be. So that is an book. So this Gita is a proper noun. In noun there will be some types. So this Gita is from proper noun. That is an proper noun. So that means this is also a noun. This is also a noun. So what is this here? Adjective. Religious is the adjective. So religious is the adjective. This religious is saying about Gita. So this is a proper noun. Proper noun. I'll post about proper nouns, common nouns, and some different types of nouns in our next video. So in that video you can understand about what are the types of nouns and other more in parts of speech. There are some also there are types. I'll post in that video also. So that is this is a proper noun. What is a proper noun is it denotes a particular person or place or thing. Means it says about a particular person, place or thing. So this is a particular name or thing. This is a proper thing. Gita, Ramayana, Bible, Quran, and like that. This is a proper noun. Means this is a proper thing. So this religious is saying about this Gita. So Gita is a religious book. Religious book is Gita. So this Gita is a religious book. So this historical is saying about Warangal and this religious book is nothing but Gita. Okay, now means an adjective. This adjective is saying about this noun. This adjective is saying about this noun. Historical is Warangal is a historical place. Means this historical place is a Warangal. Religious book is a Gita. Like that. So in the next video we'll learn remaining parts of speech. So today in this video we'll learn about noun, pronoun and adjective. In next videos we'll learn remaining parts of speech. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon.